Push the prime button and you should begin to see the Scott oil moving steadily down the dispenser tube. After a few seconds, push the prime button again to stop priming, as you now need to insert the check valve. Cut the tubing where you want to locate the valve, ensuring the section of tube from the reservoir unit to the check valve is full of Scott oil. Insert the check valve into the cut ends of the tube, being sure that the arrow is pointing in the direction of flow of the oil. Finally, press the prime button again to finish priming the remaining tube beyond the check valve until Scott oil can be seen emerging from the dispenser nib.